Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get badges in Atlas Earth. Getting badges in Atlas Earth is actually pretty simple once you understand how to game ties them to real world locations. To start, open the app and head to the shop section, usually found at the bottom of the screen, where you'll see badges available for purchase. Each badge typically costs around 200 Atlas bucks, and what makes them interesting is that they're location based, meaning the badges you see depend on where you physically are when you open the shop. In most areas, you'll usually find a small set of about 3 available badges, so if you travel to a different region or city, new badge options will appear there instead. Once you purchase a badge, it gets added to your profile, and you can view your progress and total badge count in the profile or stars section, where everything is neatly tracked like a collection system. Badges are basically a long term progression boost, so collecting more of them can improve your earning potential over time. Just remember, you can't buy every badge from one spot. You actually have to move around if you want to expand your collection, which makes it feel a bit like a digital scavenger hunt with real world travel mixed in. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.